best. The best. Run, they coming. I just said. And that's probably why I got it, because it was on clearance, because I'm so cheap. But like, clearance be having some cute stuff. People just be trying to act too bougie, and their stuff that was full price was not that cute to me. So but I didn't even get no outfit. The point of coming is to get the outfit for Big Jam, and I still don't got nothing. So I think Forever 21 is down here. We need to find Akira. Hollis Spring for shoes. I don't need no shoes, but you know the vibe. I like a fucking potato. Yo, ooh, this is cute. What is that? This is so cute, y'all cannot lie. And off of jackets and outerwear. I'm not trying to be funny. Yeah, is this cow skin? It's giving me cow skin vibes. Cow skin? If you ever seen one up close, that's how their skin is. Well, their fur. A cute fur jacket like I have, even though I don't go nowhere. So wear none. What other? Do they have cute colors? Like these are ugly as fuck. Who wears blue? Like royal blue though. Forever 21, y'all know y'all trying it with this bullshit. Bumblebee vibes up in this bitch. Oh my god, they got pink. They have pink. I gotta try it on. Are you really moving their merch? I'm trying to. Some people. You think so? Look at her.
She moved. First of all, you moved a mannequin. That's
tight you in the back.
I said it's cute as fur. That's cute as fuck.
She said it's cute as fur. No, I'm just kidding. It's cute, but okay, it's turn around. Like, hey,
no, it's not. Do it. Is it?
Well, I'm like,
do it. It'll not look tight.
When I feel like I'm in the 90s
do
video.
this.
No, this is how it's
Meet me in the trap.
Okay. Should I get a car?
If you really gonna wear it, I mean, get up.
Y'all, I think I found the boots. Look, I think I found the boots.
For what?
Pointy vibes, yes.
The Wiz and the Vibes. Them is the Vibes boots.
They got the nerve. They got the nerve. These are cute to me for some reason. Y'all don't judge me. No, these is cute because they're like super thigh-y. I don't do nothing to wear no damn boots like that. These are so fucking cute. Like, look at how tiny pink ones up there. They're so small, y'all. Like, my honey ain't finna wear shoes for like till next year. You just changed it. She keep hating on my angle, bro. When this is what a type is.
That just literally.
Is outweighing my belly. I mean, wait. My belly is outweighing my booty. Like, I just need to stop eating. Okay, so this fucking lawn is so fucking dry. Like, I was better off going to Dollar General for an outfit. Like, it's just not it. Like, it's just not happening. I don't know why I thought it was happening, but probably gonna have to use something out of my closet for this concert because that's how it's looking. It's looking real.
I'm not walking right here. Somebody can walk on this side of me.
Oh, Diana.
My
Oh yeah.
dang, look, they was, but it's people. Well, anyways, yeah, it's not much to talk about. We finna go get some food after this, and then we leaving because it's dry. But y'all, I got this from Amazon, and it's so cute. It's like one of those add-ons, and y'all better not enter again. They want. I can't see. They wanted a car. No, they already.
Wait, I told them I already put in 2, but I see 2 more. So if I put 4 in and don't win, it's rigged.
What did I say? I ain't know what happened, but let me just show. This is the car, and it's actually really fucking cute, but I ain't entering. You know how many years they do this? There ain't nobody winning. I'm sorry.
You don't think?
No. Also, this is the stuff your girl got from the mall. I got that jacket. Probably shouldn't be putting it on the floor, but probably gonna wear it like 2 or 3 times. Got this jacket. And then I got beauty blenders from Forever 21 because you can't go wrong. And they are probably very bad quality, but I needed some. I got those boots, those super cute thigh high boots. And y'all, these were only $20-something when they were originally like 40. Then I got some socks because I love their socks. Always basic, cheap, 5 pairs for like $4. Then I got this cute top. I'm gonna try to do a haul one of these days, but it's like this. This goes around the neck and this goes around the back, if that makes sense. I got these eye masks. I love these actually. Like, these are amazing. Got this necklace, and it just has a D, but the D is like pearls, so that was really cute. Windsor, I got these cheetah print shorts just to have. They were cute. They were on the $5 clearance rack. They were stretchy and very twerkable. I got these super cute wide leg pants. Not for winter, but for summer. They're really, really cute on y'all, but y'all see next summer. And these were only $7 as well. I spent $30-something at Windsor. Then I got these pants off of the clearance rack. This size 13, ripped. They're like not a skinny jean, but they say mid-rise relaxed. And then lastly, I got this from Windsor, and it's so pretty. Like, look at it. Oh my gosh. And this was $10.90, but I want this for the big jam because I want to look iced out. Do you hear me?
Step out this skirt. You done came a long way. The Lord brought you out with this baby and you. You could have, both of y'all could have been dead. In a 15 minutes, the lady said, if we hadn't got you there, you hadn't right, you would have been dead. So don't speak no death over y'all situation. I'm speaking life in the name of Jesus. That baby needs you. He needs all of us. You know, we can't worry about because somebody done threw in the towel and dropped off. Girl, 21-year-old young beautiful lady with a beautiful son that you need to just learn, and you're learning to be a good mother and treat and do right to what you do right by that baby. But don't worry about that daddy. He gonna get here.
We gotta get you out of this dirty outfit. Come on. Boy, you just too strong. Let me see the teeth. Look at the teeth. So I'm just showing y'all what I got the other day that I didn't show you guys. I got this Coola wax kind of kit from Amazon. It comes with the warmer and some like sample beads for your face, armpits or legs or something like that. Oh my god. It's so cute. It comes with a little thing. I'll give you a decent amount of beads for it to just be like samples. So Bikini Babe, bare face, best love. So they're so cute. I give you sticks. This is the warmer. The warmer is actually so small. Then they give you more little sticks for your face. How to wax like a pro focus. And this was cheap. This was only $27. Okay. So, no, I'm just kidding. I came here to get paint for his room. And I got more than that, but we're not gonna talk about it. But I got everything I need, I think. This week I gotta come back and get his bed. I heard that's good. Maya had that one, but not that kind. That brand, yeah. Hers was a good kind, but it was actually no shit. Racy Walmart don't got shit. That's why. But still, it's kind of off. I don't know what that smells like. People are so ghetto. Like, bitch, you could have picked that up. Now, look, I don't even get mad about littering, but like, come on, you gotta do better. I have seen a lot, but I've never seen a booty mask. Like, do it make it small? Do it make it softer?
They said smoothing and toning.
And people would really buy that crap. I would never in my life buy no butt mask. Not only the butt. The bus. So I have been buying so much like shit. I'm gonna just do a mini like haul. So oh my god, these I got from Dollar Tree. They are literally 100% coconut oil. I thought it was fake, but it's literally the same and it smells the same and everything. But it's only $1, so I got one for me and one for Bryson. Then I got some razors. Don't knock the Dollar Tree for real. Then I got 2 Epsom salts in there, and it's sleep aid, so it'll help relax me because I need it. Yeah. Then I got this. My best friend told me to get this because it's exfoliating and it got those little dots in it that like scrub. You know, like they scrub your skin. So I got this for my body. Per usual, I got my unscented Dove bar soaps because these help me in that area. It doesn't cause any like pH problems. I don't know if this is everywhere, but Walmart got these spin brushes for $5. I've had spin brushes like in high school, but yeah, I was like, why not, beach? The other day, and I got some stuff for like foot, because I'm gonna try to keep doing my own pedicures at home because I love getting pampered, but I'll do that every once in a while. Like I need to save more money, so I got this Pumi bar. And then this pumice, I don't know if I'm saying it right, foot thing. So then I got this plum. Oh, y'all, this smells so good. I got this barefoot exfoliating foot scrub. So I'm going to use this. And then I got these for when I do paint my toes, because, honey, they need it. And I just got, like, a regular file. And then, why is it, oh, I got some command strips in there. I don't know why, but then I got this. I don't know the brand, or I never heard of the brand, I guess. But I wanted some nude, because nude is just, you know, in. So I got this, and I plan to do, like, a self-care video soon. I'm gonna just do one go around and see how it works. So yeah, I just had to show y'all what I got. Okay, so I have a whole bucket of like stuff that I need, rollers, that type of thing for the painting. And then this, I think, is to open the, oops, that was to open the paint. Then over here I got a drop cloth from Dollar Tree, and this is the paint that I got. So I think this is a really pretty color. It says blue, gray, sky. I feel like it should have said, oh, I don't know, but yeah, this is the paint, and it was only $15. So yeah, I'm excited to start that.